all to the home mentoring session of business study. In the earlier video, we have covered with the different principles of insurance. In this video, we will do the different types of insurance. So let us start with the first type, that is meaning of life insurance. Life is very risky. Nobody knows what would happen tomorrow. There may be risk of dying too early or dying too late. Therefore, an individual takes life insurance policy to provide financial support to his family in case of death or during old age. So, life insurance policy is basically a protection against the uncertainty of life. Under this insurance is paid on the maturity of the policy or the death of the policy holder, whichever is earlier. If the policy holder survives till maturity, he enjoys the amount of insurance. If he dies before maturity, then the insurance claims help in the maintenance of his family. The insurance company insures the life of a person in exchange for a premium which may be paid in one lump sum or periodically, say yearly, half yearly, quarterly or monthly. Dear children, life insurance क्या होता है? ये life is uncertain, as all of you know. It is taken to protect the family members of that person if that person dies earlier, before the maturity of the period. He gets the whole amount. But in case insurance is taken for a fixed period and person survives, then he gets the whole amount of that policy. In this, policy can be taken for periodically, means premium amount is paid periodically or yearly or half yearly as it is decided in the agreement. So can we say life insurance is protection as well as investment for the person who is taking the life insurance? वो उसको protect भी करती है और एक तरह से this is a type of insurance. They get the more amount than deposited in shape of premium as interest. If they want to invest money, many people invest money in case of life insurance. In the life insurance, we can talk about the different principles of insurance. जो हमने fundamental principles किए हैं सारी type की insurance में से, there are some principles which does not apply to the life insurance. Which principle applies? I tell you, the utmost good faith applies, insurable interest applies, indemnity, principle of indemnity does not apply because there is no compensation. We can't value the life of a person. So this principle does not apply in case of life insurance. Principle of causa proximity applies in the life insurance. In case of subrogation, principle is not applied. Subrogation principle, as all of you know, the right of the property goes to the insurance company. In this case, this principle also does not apply. Principle of mitigation of a loss applies to the life insurance life insurance. Now we come to the second type of insurance, that is marine insurance. Marine insurance is a contract, is an agreement under which the insurer undertakes to compensate the insured for a complete or partial loss at the sea. The businessman can get his ship insured by paying the premium fixed by the insurance company. The functional principle of marine insurance are the same as the general principle of insurance. Marine insurance में whole fundamental principles apply. अगर आपको question पूछा जाए, what are the principles of marine insurance? So you will write all the principles of marine insurance. So marine insurance is of three types: cargo, ship and freight insurance. Under the cargo insurance, cargo means the voyage, कि जो उसके अंदर सामान रखा हुआ है उसकी इंश्योरेंस होती है. In case of ship insurance, whole insurance is done, ship as well as cargo. And in the third type, freight insurance में if the party does not pay the freight of the goods, then the insurance company get that freight from, then the shipping company get that freight from the insurance company. So this was the marine insurance. Now we come to the health insurance. With a lot of awareness today, health insurance has gained a lot of popularity. Nowadays, people want to secure their health. You have heard about the Mediclaim. In case of any illness, any problem, there are fixed type of problems which are taken under the health insurance. That can be seen at the time of making the agreement कि कौन-कौन सी problems जो है health insurance cover करती है. And in case of any problem, all the expenses regarding the hospitals or the medicines expenses and other expenses are paid by the company. Now we come to the fire insurance. Fire insurance provides safety against loss from fire if property of insured gets damaged due to the property as compensation from insurance company. अगर कोई प्रॉपर्टी फायर से लॉस हो जाता है तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी उसका क्लेम देती है. अगर फायर नहीं होती है तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी विल नॉट पे टू द पार्टी. नाउ all the principles which are related to the fundamental principle also applies to the fire insurance, like utmost good faith, contract of indemnity, insurable interest in subject matter subject to doctrine of causa proxima, and this insurance is taken for the 1 year. Life insurance is taken for a longer period, but in case of general insurance वो हम 1 साल की इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं. So after discussing the different type of insurance, we should do the differentiate between life, fire and marine insurance. अगर हम सब्जेक्ट मैटर की बात करते हैं तो इन द लाइफ इंश्योरेंस ह्यूमन लाइफ इज इंश्योर्ड, under the fire insurance goods are insured, and under the marine insurance ship insurance is taken, cargo is taken, as well as freight insurance is taken. In the life insurance both elements are covered, protection as well as investment. कि आप पैसे को इन्वेस्ट करना है तो लाइफ इंश्योरेंस करवा लो, और लाइफ को प्रोटेक्ट करना है तो यू कैन गेट इंश्योरेंस ऑल्सो. बट अंडर द फायर एंड मैरीन इंश्योरेंस ओनली द प्रोटेक्शन एलिमेंट इज कवर्ड. इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट की बात करते हैं तो अंडर द लाइफ इंश्योरेंस इट मस्ट बी प्रेजेंट एट द टाइम ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड नॉट नेसेसरली एट द टाइम ऑफ मैच्योरिटी. कि जब आप कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हो तब इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट होना चाहिए, बट इन केस ऑफ फायर इंश्योरेंस इंश्योरेबल इंटरेस्ट मस्ट एग्जिस्ट एट द टाइम ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट as well as at the time of loss. And in case of marine insurance, insurable interest must be present at the time of loss only. तो क्या समझ आया? Insurable interest life insurance में कब होना चाहिए? At the time of taking the insurance. Fire insurance में both the time. And in case of marine insurance, at the time of happening of the event, interest should be there. Next is duration. Life insurance is taken for a longer period, but fire insurance as well as marine insurance is mostly taken for the 1 year. Indemnity. We cannot calculate the value of a person. So this indemnity का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में अप्लाई नहीं होता, बट इन केस ऑफ फायर इंश्योरेंस एंड मैरीन इंश्योरेंस प्रिंसिपल अप्लाई होता है कि हम पता लगा सकते हैं. इंडेमनिटी क्या होता है कि कॉम्पनसेशन ऑफ द लॉस. तो हम फायर इंश्योरेंस में भी पता लगा सकते हैं कितना लॉस हुआ है, एंड दैट लॉस इज कॉम्पनसेटेड बाय द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. सेम एज इन केस ऑफ मैरीन इंश्योरेंस, loss can be compensated, so this principle applies. Measurement. Loss cannot be measured, I have told you earlier, in case of life insurance, but it can be calculated in case of marine as well as fire insurance. Policy amount. An individual can insure for any amount in the life policy. ये एक benefit है life, जितना मर्जी amount की आप policy ले सकते हो. बट इन केस ऑफ फायर और मैरीन जितने के गुड्स हैं पॉलिसी उतने अमाउंट की ही ली जाती है. Medical examination is required only in the life insurance but no in other insurance. Change in premium. अगर हम प्रीमियम एक बार फिक्स कर लेते हैं लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में कैन नॉट बी चेंज, बट in the case of other insurance at the time of renewal of policy it can be changed. It is never a protection, partial loss. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में कोई पार्शियल लॉस नहीं होता बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट प्रिडिक्ट द एक्चुअल लॉस. So this was the analysis of difference of different type of insurance. You can study it from the notes as well as from the book. Thank you very much.